Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install the Fireballs 3D game on a Windows PC. So your first step will be to open up your favorite web browser. I'm going to use Firefox. Once you have Firefox opened up, you're going to go to your address bar and you're going to type in BlueStacks.com. After that, hit the enter button. You'll be directed to the BlueStacks website. We're going to want to download BlueStacks 4, so to do that, we'll click on the Download BlueStacks button. You'll be directed to the download page, and then on the download page, you'll click the download button. This will start the download for the BlueStacks player. So you'll just click Save File or whatever window pops up for your internet browser. After that, the download will start. It's a fairly large download, so it may take a bit of time. Once the download is complete, you can open up the executable. You may get a security warning prompt on your computer. If you do, just click the Run button. The BlueStacks executable will start extracting. The BlueStacks 4 window will then pop up on your computer, and what you can do at this point is just click the Install Now button. The install will check the system requirements on your PC. You'll then create the BlueStacks registry. After that, it will extract files onto your PC. And then it will start installing the BlueStacks engine. The BlueStacks shortcuts will then be created and the installation will be complete. So once the installation is finished, you can just click on the Complete button. This will start up the BlueStacks 4 player. The first time the BlueStacks 4 player starts up, it may take a bit of time depending on your PC's performance. Once the BlueStacks 4 player is finished loading up, you'll be brought to the welcome screen. So at this point, you can just click the Let's Go button. And then you will have to sign in to a Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, you'll have to create one right now. But if you do, you'll just log in. Once you enter your username, you'll click the Next button. Then you'll be prompted to enter in your password. After you're done entering your password, you'll click the Next button again. And then you'll have to click the I agree button. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to the main screen of the BlueStacks 4 player. On the main screen, you'll click the Google Play icon. The Google Play application will load up on your screen. You'll go to the top and click the search bar. And here you will enter in Fireballs 3D. You'll notice the game comes up. It is the first one in the list. You'll click on it. After that, it will take you to the Fireballs 3D page, and here you'll click the Install button. The Fireballs 3D game will start to download on your PC. Once it is finished downloading, it will start to install. And once the installation process is finished, you'll get a notification in the lower right hand corner of your screen. So this is the notification I am referring to. After that, the game has been installed on your computer, and you can click the Open button. The game will start to load up. And that is it. The Fireballs 3D game is now playable on your PC. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if this video has helped you install the Fireballs 3D game on your Windows PC, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good day.